So today we have unboxing of the Protocol Predator SB RC helicopter, 3.5 channel helicopter. The reason why I got this was that I'm planning to get a drone, and before I get a drone I feel that I need to find something reasonable cheap to practice to fly and then move my way up before I get a drone. So I'll start off with this, then I'll get a quadcopter, and then buy like a DJI Phantom 4, and then work my way up to like the higher end ones. And I got this product at Best Buy, and it was $100, $99.99 on Best Buy website. On Amazon it was $79.00, and then at Best Buy in the store it was $55 or $54.99. So I got a very good deal on it. So this is it. Let's do the unboxing. And I like the size of it, and I like this helicopter over others because of the single blade. I like when I look at normal RC helicopters, the blades, either be full. It doesn't really look like a real helicopter, so that's why I was attracted to this one. So let's look at the box and then we'll do our unboxing. So here we have it. Single blade, bang tons, 2 scale with wheels, outdoor fly, ultra fast, outdoor fly again. There you look at it here. Okay, nothing much to see here. On the side, it's a nice picture. On the back. And also I like the controller. The controller was looked professional. I like they had a LCD screen here. Maneuver the bang. So I think this would be a good helicopter for me to start off with. And in the box it has the helicopter, the remote, the charger, the manual, and it has some spare parts, which is a screwdriver and a blade, replacement blades. So, and I like this that it has the holder, so maybe you could use this as a case, carrying case. So let's go and unbox it. So here we have this part here. So that's one, and there's the next one on the side. Okay. Here we go. Just pull it off, I guess. Wow. And the manual was in the box. There's the manual. So here we have the manual. Also, that things that came in the manual was at 25% off coupon on parts. So that's a good thing. Let's look at the manual. I think this is a manual you'll want to read. I know everybody has trouble with the manuals, but I think you'll want to read this one. Okay, so here's the aircraft. I don't want to take it out. It has some wire here that I need to unclip. So first, let's lift it up. I think the remote control is below it. So here we have the remote control. Here's the charger. Now this is the charger here. This is another DC charger outlet. Let's see what's in this box. AC DC adapter. Let's see what this is. Don't know what this is. Power. I think this is for the helicopter part. Like a tester or something. It says a charger. Power, charge. I'll have to read the manual to see what this is. I don't know. If anybody know what this is, they could comment below. Here's the control. Feels good. I mean, it's a light, but the design is nice. Hold anything in the palm of your hands. It's pretty good. Screwdriver to put in the batteries. For a beginner, I think this is a good helicopter. Extra blade and the screwdriver. Let's see. So there are 3 things you need to take out before you take out the helicopter. There's one there, and one by the tail of the aircraft.